Today let us start with chapter number 6, Squares and Square Roots. Now, we have studied about squares last year. So, you know that the area of square is equal to side into side. Square is having 4 sides equal and the area of square will be equal to side into side, where side means the length of a side. So, study the following table. So, side of a square in centimeter is given 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and A. Now, area of square in centimeter. So, we will multiply 1 centimeter side is there. So, 1 into 1 area is equal to 1 square. So, 2 then 2 into 2. So, equal to 4 equal to 2 square because it is side into side. So, same side we will multiply 2 times. So, in this way for A it will be A into A equal to A square. Now, so what is special about the numbers 4, 9, 25, 64 and other such numbers? Okay, we are getting here 4, 9, 25, 64. Okay, so since 4 can be expressed as 2 into 2 equal to 2 square, 9 can be expressed as 3 into 3 equal to 3 square, all such numbers can be expressed as the product of the number with itself. Okay, we can express these numbers as the product of a number with itself. The same numbers are multiplied. Okay, the same number is multiplied with itself, then we are getting the numbers 4, 9, 25 and 64. Such numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are known as square numbers. Okay, in general, if natural number can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, then m is a square number. So 32 is a square number or not? So no, because 32 cannot be expressed as the product of two same numbers. Now we know that 5 square equal to 25 and 6 square equal to 36. If 32 is a square number, it must be the square of a natural number between 5 and 6. But there is no such natural number between 5 and 6. So 32 is not a square number. We cannot express 32 as the product of two same numbers. Okay. So consider the following numbers and their squares. See, for a number 1, the square will be 1 into 1, that is 1. For 2, 2 into 2, that is 4. For 3 is given 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. 4, that it will be 4 into 4 equal to 16. 5 means 5 into 5 into 25. So this you will complete yourself. Same number will be multiplied by itself and you will get the answer. So this I have also given in PDF to complete. So from the table we can enlist the square numbers between 1 and 100. Okay. So the numbers which are not square numbers, the rest of the numbers are not the square numbers. So the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16 which we got are square numbers. The numbers are also called perfect squares. Okay, these numbers are also called as perfect squares. Now, one question is given, find the perfect square numbers between 30 and 40, 50 and 60. Then, so you will find out between 30 and 40 and 50 and 60. Okay, this also we will discuss in the Google Meet. Now, properties of square numbers. Following table shows the squares of numbers from 1 to 20. So this also you will have to list out. From 1 to 20 it is given. If same number is multiplied 2 times, we will get this answer. 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. So like that up to 20 they have given. Now study the square numbers in the above table. What are the ending digits? That is the digits in the unit place of the square number. We have to see the last digit, ending digits. All these numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So you can see all the digits that they are ending with either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Okay. Then none of these are ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8. At the unit place of square number, there is not 2, 3, 7 or 8. There can be either of 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 number. Can we say that if the number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it must be a square number. So yes, we can say that a number which is ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, it is a square number. Now question number 1 here, can we say whether the following numbers are perfect squares? How do we know? So we have to see only the last digit, unit digit. That if the unit digit is out of 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it is a perfect square number. So here unit digit is 7. 7 is not in this list. So no, it is not a perfect square. Here 3 is there. No, 3 is also not there. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. There is no 3. So it is also not perfect square. 8 is there. So no, 8 is also not there. 2 is there. No, 2 is also not there. Okay. 9 is there. So yes, 9 is there. So this one is a perfect square number. This one can be a perfect square number. 2061. So 1 is there. So this can be a perfect square number. Now further, write 5 numbers which you can decide by looking at their ones digit that they are not square numbers. Okay. Write 5 numbers which you cannot decide just by looking at their units digit. We can or ones place whether they are square numbers or not. So this is only just find out such examples in which you can decide whether the numbers are not square numbers and which are square numbers. Study the following table of some numbers and their squares and observe the ones place in both. So we have to observe the ones place. So these numbers are given and their squares are given. So 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. Like that from 1 to 50 numbers are given. Okay, and their squares are given. Now the following square numbers end with the digit 1. So you can see here all these digits are ending with the digit number 1. Okay, so 1 ones are 1, 9 nines are 81, 11 elevens are 121, 19 19s are 361 and 21 21s are 441. So which of 123 square, 77 square, 82 square, 161 square and 109 square would end with the digit 1. So here we will multiply only the last number by itself and see. So 1 ones are 1. So yes, this will end with digit 1. 109 square, 9 nines are 81. So this also will end with digit 1. But these three, if you will multiply with the unit digit, 3 threes are 9. So this will not end with digit 1. 7, so 7 sevens are 49. So it will also not end with digit 1. And 82 means 2 to the 4. It will also not end with digit 1. Now further, write the next two square numbers which end in 1 and their corresponding numbers. Okay, you will see that if a number has 1 or 9 in units place, then its square ends in 1. Okay, now further consider square numbers ending with 6. So let us see for the square number which are ending with 6. Okay, so this will be 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36, 14 14s are 196 and 16 16s are 256. So which of the following numbers would have the digit 6 at units place? Okay, 19 square. So 99 nines are 81. So it will have 1 at the unit place. Here 4 4s are 16. So it will have 6 at the unit place. 6 6 are 36. So here also 6 will be at the unit place. 6 6 are 36. So here also 6 will be at the unit place and 4 4s are 16 here. So this is also will having the number 6 at units place. Now further, we can see that when a square number ends with 6, the number whose square it is will have either 4 or 6 at unit place. Okay, so can you find such rules by observing the numbers and the squares? So you multiply other numbers also and see which numbers are coming at the unit place. Now one question is given, what will be the ones digit in unit in the square of the following numbers? Okay, we have to find out the square and we have to find out what will be the ones digit number. So 4 4s are 16. So 6 will be a ones digit number. 2 2s are 4. So 4 will be in ones digit number. Now 7. So 7 7s are 49. So 9 will be at the ones digit. 6 means 6 6 are 36. So 6 will be at the units place, and this one 5 2 6 9 8, 8 at the 64. So 4 will be at the units place. Now this one 0. So 0 0 is 0. So 0 will be at the units place. Now consider the following numbers and their squares. Here some numbers are given and their square is given. So 10 square equal to 100. So in 10 there is 1 0 and in its square there are 2 zeros. So here we have 1 0 in the number and square is having 2 zeros. We have 2 zeros. Now another number 100 square. So here in the question number we have 2 zeros, but in answer number there will be 4 zeros. So what we can conclude from this, that if in the number there are whatever number of zeros are there, in the answer there will be double that number of zeros. If a number contains 3 zeros at the end, then how many zeros will its square have? So double number, so 6 zeros. Okay. Now what do you notice about the number of zeros at the end of the number and the number of zeros at the end of its square? So what we have noticed, that if there is 1 0 in question sum, then there will be 1 0 is there, then answer will have 2 zeros. If there are 2 zeros, answer will have 4 zeros. So see table 1 with numbers and their squares. Now what can you say about the squares of even numbers and squares of odd numbers? Okay. So here the square of which of the following numbers would be an odd number or even numbers, and why? So we have to see that if there is at the end of the digit number, the last digit is odd digit, answer also will be, square will be also odd digit. If there is even digit at the end, then answer will also be of the even digit. Okay. So what will be the number of zeros in the square of the following numbers? So here there is 1 0. So square will have 2 zeros. Here there are 2 zeros. So the square will have 4 zeros. Points to remember up till now whatever we have studied. So these are the points to remember. Now let us see square of a number. This is the definition of square of a number. The square of a number is obtained by multiplying it by itself. That means if we multiply the two same numbers, then we will get the square of a number. So 5 into 5 equal to 25, that is 5 5s are 25, 5 into 5 equal to 5 square, 7 into 7 equal to 7 square, 13 into 13 equal to 13 square, and a into a equal to a square. Perfect square or square number. If the given number is a square of a whole number, then the given number is said to be perfect square or square number. So this is the definition of perfect square. 1 into 1 equal to 1 square equal to 1, 2 into 2 equal to 2 square equal to 4, 3 into 3 equal to 3 square equal to 9. Here 1, 4, 9 are perfect square numbers. There are infinite square numbers. Every number cannot be a perfect square. Now the following table indicates the digit at units place of a number and digit at unit place of its square. So let us see the table. Here the unit digit of the number is given, and if we square that number, what will be the unit digit of the square of the given number is given. So if there is 1 0 at the unit place, then at the unit digit of the square number will also be 0. Then if there is 1 or 9 at unit place, the unit digit of the square number will be 1. If there is 2 or 8 at the unit place, unit digit of the square number will be 4. If 3 or 7 is there at the unit place of the number, then the square of the number will have 9 at the unit place. If there is 4 or 6 at unit place, then the square of the same number will have 6 at unit place. If there is 5 at unit place of a number, then the square of the given number will have 5 at unit place. If a number has 0 at units place, then its square ends with 2 zeros. Okay. If the number had 2 zeros at its units place, unit and tens place, then its square ends with 4 zeros. Similarly, if the number is having 3 0 at its unit and tens and hundreds place, then its square ends with 6 zeros. A number ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 cannot be a perfect square. So remember these numbers. The number ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 cannot be a perfect square. Square of an odd number is odd and square of an even number is even. write the definitions and tables given in PDF in your classwork. Thank you.